Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to do a new construction walkthrough tour of the Chandler floor plan by Meritage Homes. The Chandler is just under 1,650 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It's a split bedroom floor plan, so you have the master bedroom on one side of the home and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. It's open floor plan as well. There's a gas log fireplace in the living room, granite countertops in the kitchen, plank floors on the main level. There's a walk-in pantry as well. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Okay, so on this side of the home, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Right behind me, there's a coat closet. Now on this side, there's a large laundry room, and the garage is right here as well. Let's check it out. And on this side of the home, you have the open kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. There's a large pantry as well. There's a gas log fireplace in the living room. The master suite is on this side of the home as well. And also the dining room is on this side. Outside, there's a large covered patio and a fully sodded backyard. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, another feature about this home is that it does have a tankless water heater. At the time that we recorded this video, this particular Chandler floor plan is available for sale at $284,900. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.